We have to assemble. Timber loader. Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the car. Go on. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Don't stop. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Go on. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. That's all. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to ready.